first met you, baby, you fed me on chicken and wine. It was steak and potatoes and lobster, and baby, sure felt fine. Now all you feed me is seaweed, alfalfa sprouts and sunflower seeds. I got my doubts. You left me here standing with a chicken cordon bleu. Starved for affection, and all I got is food for thought. Been sitting here thinking about the 20 pounds of groceries we bought. We bought 5 pounds of brown rice, 10 more beans, and 5 pounds of granola. You know what that means? I'm a regular fella with a chicken cordon bleu. My stomach is empty. I don't think I can take no more. This stuff is so weird that the cockroaches move next door. Well, you see that old dog? He's out on the street. He's got a big smile on his face. Come and let him eat meat. I got you and I got the chicken cordon. I got you and I got the chicken cordon. I got the lemon and the chicken cordon bleu.